Okay, now let's try to pull up Britannia because this company has come up with its numbers where, like we were telling you, there's a beat on the profit figure. The company has reported a profit of 380 crores versus our estimates of 344 crores. While talking of revenue as well, then the company reported more than 3,500 crores in the profit figure. They'll also pay a dividend, a hefty dividend of 56.5 rupees per share. And as of EBITDA number is concerned, there's a growth of close to 9%. But talking of margins, definitely on a YOY basis, there's a fall in the margin number with 16.2% same quarter last year. The company reported EBITDA margin. This time it is at 15.5 crores. But now let's connect with the analyst. We are being joined by Naveen Kulkarni, who is the Chief Investment Officer at Axis Securities. Hi Naveen. So the Britannia numbers are seen to be a beat than what the street was estimating, and apart from that, the company has also said that they have managed to post a mid-single digit growth for this particular quarter. How do you see your numbers? Is it a beat to what you were expecting as well?
Yeah, so the PAT numbers are a beat to what we were expecting, but the more important are the EBITDA numbers. So I'm still unable to figure out the exact EBITDA number that you just said. So you said it's around 15.5% EBITDA margin. So that looks not very strong to me. So I will have to get into the details. Also, the revenue number is also very critical, as in we were estimating 9% price hike and almost a couple of percentage points growth in volume. So roughly 10% revenue growth. So that also number is going to be very important to look at.
Okay, but Naveen, what are you expecting on the margin? Like, what was the margin number that you were working with? Because we were working with around close to 15% of the EBITDA margin. From our estimates, is definitely a beat. And going forward, because we have seen the major HUL actually beating, and even the management commentary was really positive. Specifically talking about Britannia, how do we see the raw material inflation hitting them? And what's your feeling that in what sense the management could be guiding on the commentary?
Yeah, so we were expecting margin. So absolute margin we were expecting in the range of around 520 crores. So that is roughly little over 15%. But I would say that the overall numbers look quite okay to me. In fact, the revenue numbers also at 3,550 crores look to be around 3% beat on our estimate. So the revenue number looks good. So I think that has what has led to the beat. So we were estimating revenues to be in the range of 3,480 crores. They have reported 3,550 crores. So that's 2% beat on revenue numbers. Margin, I guess you indicated 15.6%. So that also looks to be healthy. So I would say that overall numbers, the numbers look quite okay to me. In fact, the PAT number is also a beat of almost around 6% on our estimates.
Okay, thank you so much, Naveen, for joining us today at ET Now and helping with your first take on the FMCG major Britannia. So, okay, set of numbers as per the analyst, but with this, let's slip into a short break. We'll be right back with more.